Everyone, good morning. I'm Lavanya from Chhattisgarh, and in this video, I'm going to tell you be greedy to yourself. Why, guys? If you want to accomplish your goals, you should to be greedy. Otherwise, how is it possible to achieve your goal? Suppose you want to become a good speaker, you want to become a public speaker, you want to become a mentor. How? Without following anyone, it's not possible to become a public speaker. So you should to imitate. When you will watch podcast videos, so you should to be imitate. You should to follow her tonality. You should to watch very carefully. At that times you should to start shadow practice. So what is the meaning of shadow practice? Shadow practice means you have to follow her speech, and that times you sound like her. And when it's come to the speaking, so that time simply you grab mirror and you should start to speaking like her. Now I'm sounding like her. You should to tell, you push yourself. Every person told I know English, but when it's come to the speaking, so that times my mind stuck, gonna blank. I don't have any words. But when it's come to the reading, so that times I know every word. But when it's come to the speaking, so that times I forgot words. Why? Because you never train your mouth. You only train your brain how to read, how to write. And what about your mouth? What about your mouth muscles? You have to warm up your mouth. You should to warm up your mouth. When it's come to the gym, so that times starting what we do is start to warm up our body, and then we start our push-up and something exercise. So now it's time to warm up your mouth, and then you will speak brick by brick. You should start to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you want to become a public speaker, so you should to record yourself and you watch your gesture and posture. And when you will speak front of camera, so you have to wear good cloth, because cloth matters a lot. Sometimes we don't want to face our face. Why? The reason is now I'm looking ugly. I'm not comfortable with camera. Why I record my video? This is not too necessary to record. So you should to tell yourself, you think something new. Like, yes, first I get dressed well, and now I'm recording my videos, and now I'm looking well, and I'm giving a speech. It's okay. You want to become a public speaker, so you should to be greedy yourself. Why? Because you that times follow public speaker, like you have to search something good, productive thing related to according to you, what you want to listen. When you will listen, so that times you listen very carefully. While you are watching, so that times you read that words, what they are speaking, okay? And that times you should simultaneously you follow her speech. And what about me, guys? Literally, uh, I'm every day doing these kind of things, so that's why I'm speaking front of camera. And I want to tell a story. Couple of weeks I met a guy, and he's an English teacher, and now we are a good friend. And he told, Lavanya, I have good fluency. And every day I teach student. And when it's come to the camera, so that times I'm not comfortable camera to deliver speech. And he told to me, because I already said to him, I'm a YouTuber and I upload content, English content. And he watched my video and he appreciate a lot, because I'm very comfortable with my camera. Yes, sometimes I'm lacking because it's necessary to lack. Why? The reason is, you know very well, this is not my native language. And what about me, guys? I completed my study, which is in government school. I completed my college, which is in government college, and I did my master, which is in Kalinga University. And what happened? I'm staying in Chhattisgarh, and no anyone speak. Only they want to speak our native language and even our in Hindi. You know, every person loves to, especially Chhattisgarhi people love to speak in Hindi. They don't want to speak in even Chhattisgarhi language. Sometimes when they want to speak in Chhattisgarhi language, so that time they feel shy. I don't know why. We are still Chhattisgarhi people, but still we don't want to talk Chhattisgarhi. Yeah, we feel same. Yeah, I don't know why. And what about Hindi? Morning to till night we speak only Hindi. And what about English? I don't have any environment to speak in English, but still I'm speaking. Still I'm delivering speech, beautiful speak. The reason is my determination, my courage. So that's why. And what about you? Every people said to me, I speak like you. I also want to, that teacher, he told me, Lavanya, I want to record my voice, I want to record my video, but I unable to record because he's not comfortable with camera. He is a good teacher, he good at English, but still he is not comfortable with camera. Why? The reason is glossophobia. The reason is fear. The reason is hesitation. When it's come to the public speaking, when it's come to the deliver speech, so that times your hands shiver, your hands ache. Why? Just because of fear, fear, fear. And if you want to accomplish your goals, you should to start to fight your fear. You have to train your mouth. You have to be greedy yourself. And what about me? I'm very selfish girl. To be honest, when it's come to the English, when it's come to the my goal, so that times I'm very selfish. I want to achieve as soon as possible. This is my ultimate goal. That's all. Like what happened when I watch someone, so that times I imitate, I follow all the speech. Why? Just because of I want to become speak like her. I want to become a native speaker. I want to become good teacher. So that's why. And if you think like one day I become a good teacher, one day I speak like her, so you will start to, imitate, start to read, write, and watch some podcast videos. So that times you follow her speech and you start to record yourself brick by brick. Like you have to start a small video. Today I'm going to, like, sometimes what happened, we don't want to watch our face because we are not confident. Why? Because sometimes we feel like I'm not looking good, I'm not looking well, and how can I record? These kind of feelings we have. Why? The reason is fear. So when you wear good dress, when you wear makeup, and now I am well dressed and now I'm looking very beautiful, and now I'm looking very handsome, and now I want to record my video at least little, at least 5 minutes every day. Don't post your video, but you should to record. You have to maintain your body, you have to maintain your brain, like you have to set your mind like now it's time to record, and one day I'll post my video on YouTube and Insta, and I want to fight my fear. You have to say like this. Yeah. And what about my beginning time? So that times I'm very fear to record my video, and I attempt many times, even 220 times I attempt. And now when it's come to the recording, so now I'm feeling very, one to two times, and then I record, just because of relentlessly I'm doing. So that's why I'm very familiar to camera. So now it's time to you guys. You have to be greedy. You want to say like I'm feeling jealous. It's okay. And why I'm feeling jealous? Just because I want to accomplish my goal. Sometimes what happened, our circumstance is not well, and we unable to read, we unable to write, we unable to speak front of people, and we make a lot of excuses like I don't have environment, I don't have partner, I don't have a good friend to talk, so how can I speak like you? This call all only on excuses. And how many times you will give excuses yourself? So don't make excuses. It's time to record yourself. It's time to build your personality. It's time to utilize your time. Isn't it? Because now around 2026 around the corner, and every person has good dream to achieve. Every person want to good job. Every person want to good personality. So it's time to utilize your time, and it's time to move forward, isn't it? So how is my video? If you like my video, so please consider to subscribe and share my video with your friends and families. We will meet very soon. Okay, bye and take care.